Welcome to City Finance, your one stop platform for exploring municipal finance data, performance, and insights across India. This portal has been designed to make complex financial and service delivery information simple, accessible, and easy to navigate. Whether you are a policymaker, researcher, student, or simply curious about how cities are managed, City Finance gives you the tools to explore and understand the finances of urban local bodies across the country. Let's get started. On the homepage, you'll see a search bar where you can quickly find financial and demographic details of any urban local body or state. If you'd like a faster start, you can also choose from suggested cities listed right below. Once you select a city, the overview page opens with key information, population, area, population density, number of wards, and the years of financial data available. You can also see whether the city is part of a larger urban agglomeration, giving you a broader picture of its context. At the top of the city page, you'll also find quick financial highlights, including key indicators such as total tax revenue, owned revenue, grants received, total revenue, total expenditure, and balance sheet size. These summary cards provide a quick snapshot of the city's financial position before moving into the detailed dashboards. From here, you can explore the Financial Performance Dashboard. This section provides a detailed overview of the city's financial indicators. Users can analyze metrics such as revenue receipts, own source revenue, grants, expenditure, and debt across multiple financial years. The dashboard now presents these indicators in a structured table format, making it easier to review trends and compare values across years. The table allows users to expand and explore different categories of financial indicators, while accompanying charts help visualize how these indicators have changed over time. Users can also download the table in Excel format or export charts as images, making it easier to use the data for further analysis or reporting. In addition to viewing a single city's financial performance, City Finance also allows users to compare financial indicators across cities. Using the Compare with Different Cities option, users can select up to 3 urban local bodies and build custom comparisons. Users can choose specific financial years and indicator categories, such as key numbers and ratios, receipts, expenditure, liabilities, assets, tax revenue, or debt. The platform then generates a comparative view that allows users to easily analyze how different cities perform across selected financial indicators. This helps users track overall revenue, understand the contribution of own source revenues, and analyze expenditure patterns to better understand the city's fiscal health. The balance sheet and income statement section provides deeper insights into the city's financial position. Here, users can review detailed financial statements that show how assets, liabilities, income, and expenditure have evolved over time. Another important section focuses on borrowing and credit rating. This section provides information on municipal borrowings, credit ratings, and repayment trends. It helps assess the city's ability to access financing and manage its debt responsibly. Understanding borrowing patterns also helps evaluate the financial credibility of the urban local body in capital markets. City Finance also includes the Service Level Benchmarks dashboard. This section focuses on service delivery indicators such as water supply, sanitation, solid waste management, and stormwater drainage. These benchmarks help users understand how effectively cities are delivering essential urban services. By comparing these indicators across cities, users can identify areas where improvements may be required. Let's now step back to the National Performance Dashboard. This dashboard allows users to explore municipal finance trends across urban local bodies in India. Users can analyze indicators related to revenue, expenditure, own source revenue, and capital expenditure at the national level. Users can also view the financial indicators of each state basis population category or ULB type and can move to the respective state's dashboard for detailed analysis. The dashboard helps provide a broader perspective on how cities and states across the country are performing financially. City Finance also provides a dedicated own revenue performance dashboard. This dashboard focuses on how cities generate revenue from their own sources. Users can filter the analysis by state, ULB type, population category, and financial year. It also provides insights into the composition of own revenues, including property tax and other revenue sources. Users can compare their city's performance with national averages or similar population categories. This helps cities identify opportunities to strengthen their revenue base. City Finance also includes a property tax performance dashboard. Property tax is one of the most important sources of revenue for urban local bodies. This dashboard highlights indicators such as property tax collections, property tax per capita, and property tax as a share of own revenue. Users can compare cities across population categories and identify top-performing municipalities in property tax collection. Another important feature of City Finance is the Market Readiness Assessment Dashboard. This dashboard assesses a city's preparedness to access market-based financing, such as municipal bonds or private investment. By analyzing indicators related to revenues, expenditures, debt levels, and financial ratios, the dashboard helps evaluate a city's creditworthiness and investment readiness. It highlights areas where municipalities may need to strengthen their financial and governance practices in order to attract investment for infrastructure development. City Finance also provides a resources section. Here, users can access the Learning Center, research publications, and financial datasets related to municipal finance. The portal also provides ULB submitted financial documents that have been digitized using OCR and AI methods, making them available in Excel format for easier analysis. These resources allow users to download standardized financial datasets and explore municipal finance data in greater depth. The blog section features articles, insights, and updates related to municipal finance, governance reforms, and urban development. These articles help users stay informed about emerging trends and best practices in the sector. If you would like a deeper understanding of the platform, you can also request a demo. By submitting your details, the City Finance team can provide a personalized walkthrough of the platform and its features. City Finance also encourages users to share feedback to help improve the platform. Using the Help City Finance Improve feature, users can report issues such as missing data, incorrect information, UI bugs, or suggestions. Users can provide a brief description of the issue and attach screenshots to help the team better understand the feedback. Thank you for exploring City Finance. We hope this guided tour helps you navigate the platform with ease. Now it's your turn to explore the dashboards, analyze the data, and discover insights about municipal finance across India.